Welcome back guys to my tutorial on Google Apps. In this tutorial we'll talk about more settings on the groups module. So let's go into the groups module again. I'll go inside a particular group. Again I'll go to the access settings or the groups.google.com module. If you have not seen my previous tutorial on groups, you can refer that for checking access permissions and about the members module. I talked about it in 2 tutorials previously. In this tutorial we'll talk about roles. So there are 3 types of roles in Google Apps for groups. That is the predefined or system defined roles. Those are owner, manager and member. So you can see these are the 3 roles. These roles cannot be deleted as they have been defined by Google. This is another user created role for this group, so I have created a particular role. I'll talk about that in detail now. So let's go to owner role. This is a built-in role. Some settings cannot be modified. So here you can search for particular members whom you want to assign as owners, and you can then add those members here. Owners can do anything and everything on the group, like they are the owner of the group. So you can see permissions are defined here, all the permissions that the owner can have on this particular group. So you can define the owners here. Next we'll talk about manager. It is very similar. All the 3 modules, owner, groups and managers, are very similar. You can search for members and add members as managers here. Managers have a bit less number of access to this particular group. You can compare the permissions in the owner section and in the manager section if you want. Then as member, this is the default role that is given to anyone who joins the group. You can invite more people to join as members, or you can add more members here. Then you see members can have different privileges which are already defined here, but we can also moderate it. We can also change it from the basic permissions or posting permissions. We can allow members. We'll talk about that later. So you can give additional permissions to what is defined here. Next we'll talk about these are the system defined roles. Suppose I want to create a role. I'll give any name. You can give some description. Then if you want to add a badge, you can add. If you want to add members from here only, you can add. Then you can give a set of permissions which you want to give for this particular role. So you can see there are every setting is listed here which are available on groups.google.com. For this you can choose some particular, I'll choose randomly 3 to 4 just as a demo. You can choose according to your requirements. Then you click on done, and you see the permissions have been added here. Now I'll save this. So a new role with name MJ must be created. Yeah, so this is created here. So similarly you can define as many roles as you want if you need it. Otherwise with these 3 system defined roles you should be able to manage a particular group. Thank you.